Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build a vacation rental with Airbnb step by step clearly. Research your local laws and regulations regarding vacation rentals. Determine the ideal property type that fits your target market. Choose a location that attracts tourists or travelers. Calculate your budget, including property purchase, renovations, and ongoing costs. Find a suitable property using real estate platforms or local listings. Evaluate the property's potential for rental income. Inspect the property thoroughly for necessary repairs or upgrades. Create a renovation plan that enhances the appeal of the space. Select a style and theme that resonates with potential guests. Gather quotes from contractors for any required work. Oversee renovations to ensure quality and adherence to your vision. Furnish and equip the property with essential amenities and comforts. Take high-quality photos to showcase the space effectively. Craft a compelling listing description that highlights unique features. Set competitive pricing based on local market research. Create an account on Airbnb and complete your profile. Upload your photos and listing description to the platform. Implement a booking calendar to manage guest reservations. Establish house rules and ensure they align with your hospitality goals. Set up a smooth check-in process for guest convenience. Prepare a welcome guide with local attractions and house information. Market the property through social media and local partnerships. Respond promptly to inquiries and booking requests. Monitor guest feedback and adjust your approach as needed. Maintain the property regularly to ensure a top-notch experience. Consider using a property management service if demand increases. Adapt and refine your strategy based on rental performance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.